Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Gucci unboxing. It has been quite a few years since I've done a unboxing here on my channel of anything designer luxury, and I have another Gucci belt unboxing here on my channel years ago with the interlocking Gucci Marmont belt, but it's been a few years since I got that one and I used it, loved it, but now I was looking for something a bit different, something that I could wear over dresses, something that I could still also wear with jeans, with shorts. I wanted something more versatile and in a size that I could wear around my waist and around my hips in a pair of jeans. So here's the box right here. I don't know why I'm having such a difficult time opening it, so I'm just going to let it kind of fall. And in here we have a receipt and our belt right here. So I have been eyeing this belt for quite some time and I finally decided to get it. This is the Gucci Horsebit belt and it is so cute, and I feel like it's a statement belt without being too in your face, and you can wear this belt so many different ways, and I'm actually planning a styling video of a few different looks that you can do with this belt. I haven't decided how many I'm going to do yet, but I love that you can wear this belt just around the waist, kind of cinched right there, or you can put this section in the front while you belt it through your jeans, or in the back we have a normal belt buckle, so you can go ahead and just do it up like you would a normal belt and just have something kind of simple like this in the front if you want to tie this around the waist of a dress and kind of have the detail of the horsebit in the back, or again you can loop this around your jeans as well. It's just such a great belt. Now I got mine in the size 80 and I have it in black. It also comes in a brown and a very pretty off-white color, and it retails for $5.90 US. Now I actually purchased mine from Bloomingdale's because that was the only location that was open at the moment, but it is available at tons of places, Nordstrom included, and I will leave links to everywhere that I can find it in the description box below. So the side of the belt, this width right here, is just about 1 inch, and everything is all leather made in Italy, and we have gold detailing of the buckles on both the horsebit and the normal buckle side. It does feel nice and structured. It's a beautiful smooth leather. I am so excited to get this styled. If you want to see a styling video of me wearing this belt a few different ways so you can see its versatility, then please let me know in the comment section below so I can go ahead and get that video started for you guys. So that is it for this unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.